morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. What I'm doing. Well, it's my day off, and I went to the library and bought a bunch of videos for you guys. Today is the day that I'm trying to start the beast. So what that means, what I'm going to do, is basically I'm gonna get some gas. I got a gas tank right there. I gotta run a wire from the battery to the terminal, to the fuse box, and a ground cable that I do have already. I got the battery charging, and matter of fact, it's fully charged already. That's good news. And then I have to I'm gonna put the battery right there for now on the floor. I'm going to run the positive cable to the battery, from the starter to the battery, the negative to the ground back down here, and then I'm going to run just a wire all the way out there, just to see if the car turns over, get the fuel pump kick in and stuff like that. If I manage to do all that and the car turns over for 5 minutes, because, sorry, I'm burping, I am missing, I order a jumper harness from raw wire. You jump the harness from there to there. I'm missing that. So as soon as I get that, I can turn the car and shoot it. But at least I want to hear the motor blah 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 blah. And I know the car is going to be good to turn on. Okay. I'm going to feel the fuel pump, make sure I got pressure everywhere that I do, and we go from there. Besides that, I've been working on this little thing. I don't know if you like it or not. Leave your comment. I'm not going to modify it till you guys say yeah. So this is going to be. Let me get out of the fan. I always like this hot rods and with this crazy ideas, and I came up with this one. It's basically, I want to do grab the bottle, I want to make a hole right here, and that's going to be the reservoir for the coolant. It's going to look cool. So that's one idea, and then I was going to think to just follow right here, right there. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna modify it. I'm gonna put this right through here, and that's where the water's gonna go through. I'm gonna kill this out, start it, and I want to do everything in front of you guys so you can see. But I'm not gonna install it till you guys say yes or no. If I get 10 out of 5, if I get, how am I gonna say this? If I get 10 comments. And out of the 10 comments, 6 of them or 7 of them, I say, yeah, go for it. I love the idea. I'm doing it. All right? So I'm going to prep it. Besides that, my goal today is to start the vehicle. As you can see, we did the radiator installation. I'm still waiting on one part to do the hoses. I do have the axles right here. Motor got oil on it. I got one more brake line to do. And bleed the brakes. And then I can put the dashboard back in, and after that is basically put the cap back in stocks, cut it, install it, weld it, get it done. But we need one more piece for that too. So with that said, oh yeah, I gotta replace this, but this is nothing. With that said, let's get to it. Hit like, hit, share, subscribe. Let's get to it, boy. There we go. So right here, I'm going to grind this real quick, clean it up, and I'll put the hose right there for the return line. See the water's going to drop through there. And it looks pretty cool. I like it. I got this from Jose Cuervo. Somebody gave it to me. And this is an old 1990 bottle from a Pepsi Cola or Coca-Cola, one of the two. Pepsi. So back in the 90s, so I found this when I was cleaning one of my old jobs, and I said, hey, I'm going to keep these, and I'm now using it. So if you like this, it's pretty cool. This should hold, this glass, it should hold the heat, you know. You gotta let me know. I think I like it. I just want to know if you guys like it too. It's gonna be something different for sure. Right there. You know what I mean? I can move this way if I need to. You see? So that is gonna look great. If I can get the bottle line clear, even better. Put this right here right now. I have a mess. Every time I clean this up, I get a mess in here. So let me put you pop by. Let me start getting the cables right there ready to get ready for what we're gonna do. All right, guys. I went to Home Depot. I mean, not Home Depot. O'Reilly's Auto Parts. But we got some basic stuff here that we need. Basically, we have connectors and we have basic car connectors over here. We have a ground wire and a positive, right? Let's start with the positive. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open up a little bit. Alright, so we're gonna put this right here. As you can see, it's not gonna fit, so we're gonna have to cut a little bit more. This is the one that's gonna be connected to the starter. But I don't want no left over, right? So hold on. I don't want no leftovers. Problems here, electrical. I don't want nothing touching. Even though this is for now because this is too small. I want to put a bigger one. But I'm not going to leave nothing to the to risk. I'm just gonna go to the press right now. Press this in. I'll be right back. I already got it done. I'm pressed. I'm gonna put this on. So now this end is done, and then I'm just gonna do for now this long because these heads are changeable, so I'm gonna do that later on. Then I'm going to loosen this up real quick. I mean, if you don't know how to do this, This is the easy way to do it. Again, this is just to store my car. You know what I mean? There we go. I got a positive wire cable done. And the only difference I got to do right now is throw an extra cable, like a relay signal, to the other one. And I'll do that in a minute. I'm gonna have to buy some other stuff. But this was out, it's done. Let's do the negative. All right, guys. I got both cables done on both sides. And I'm about to go to Home Depot or Lowe's to get, you know, a female or male. I'm gonna put it right here. And this is the cable that's gonna run to the inside for the wire inside the car for the signal. Okay, for power to the fuse box right here. Then this is garbage. This is beautiful. I'm gonna find one more of these, same length. And I'm using this little thing to attach that to that. Of course, I'm gonna need a gas tank. Let me go get one. Oops, sorry. I'm gonna need a gas tank bigger than that. Come on to my mess in my world. Welcome to the Honda world back here. Right here, right there. I'm gonna get this. Fill it with gas tank. So, we'll put this in the back of the truck. Oh, baby. I gotta put a starter on this CRX. If it doesn't rain today, I'll do that. Bro, I'm so excited. If I get to start that up, I want to connect my laptop to it. I want to connect the laptop to it. See if, you know, any codes. It's going to be a code, but I'm going to fire that up. Blah, 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 blah. You guys are going to be there for the watching. All right, guys, I'm going to head to Lowe's to buy some stuff, and I'll be back. All right, guys, so let me take this out of here, put it right here for now. Sorry. All right, guys, I did the harness, battery ground, fuel in the tank. It's always safety first. Let me bring the battery, and I'm gonna turn the key on, see what happens. Full tank. All right, guys, pray. All right. Positive is on. It's negative. So far, so good. No wire burning. Okay. Alright, hold on. Hey guys, so my day today was very not successful what I wanted to do. I do have power, and I'll tell you what's going on. You see the ECU? I do have power going towards the ECU. She turns on, this turns off. Let me make sure you guys see that. So you're gonna see a light popping up right there. See it right there? So I do have power to the ECU. I do have power there. Power to the back. The fuel pump is not kicking in, or the starter is not kicking in. I do have power to the starter, but the signal light, the signal relay, or the signal, whatever you want to call it, I cannot do it very well. I do have power on the fuse for the signal relay for that. The relay's kicking in for the fuel pump. So I'm gonna call it a day today. Kind of upset me because I wanted it to at least here running. If you guys might know what it is, hit the comment below. Tell me, hey Freddie, check this. Hey Freddie, check that. I really need help with that. Besides that, she's almost there, man. I mean, I gotta do a few things for brakes. I was saying that, but I gotta do that. I replaced the other fuse box because the other fuse box was not working, and I replaced it, and it came back on. It works, but it's not cranking open. So before I go back digging into the fuel pump to look, see if the people are disconnected or whatever the case is, I want to at least hear this car start, you know. So if any of you know anything about this, hit me up, man. It's gonna be a short video about it. I mean, I was ready for it, so excited. I got my thing right here for it, but the whole deal just came out pretty badass, huh? I like it. I like it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I don't know. Oh man. All right, guys. It's kind of hot. I'm taking a break. We'll cut the grass. You know, let my brain work. I am going to change some of the grounds on the body. And you're going to look for another spot somewhere here to mount it. See if I can find one from here to there. There's a spot right here that I can use. Maybe I can throw it from there to here. Put a knot on it. I don't know. But yeah, guys. Thank you. Enemy Creation for everything you had done. Still missing one part that hasn't arrived. Guys, thank you for watching. If you know what the hell's going on, give me a break. Give me a heads up. Freddie, check this out, check that out. So close, so far away. Guys, thank you for watching. Hit like, hit share, and subscribe. Peace out. Whoa. Don't go nowhere. I think I found the problem with the starter. I thought that this was making a good connection. I started looking at it. This came out. So that means that will never be connected right. So I'm gonna grab some of this. I'm gonna extend the wire, and I'm gonna do it the right way. Wish me luck. Hold on. You should have heard the car prime for the first time. But I have a small leak somewhere here in the car. I got two actually. I got one underneath the tank I got to fix. And then I got one right here. This one right here is giving me a headache. I can fix that later. I got to buy the part. See how it went too? So the problem was the relay. Relay was bad. I've replaced it with a new one. The starter's still not cranking. That might be the starter issue. But I'm gonna have another one somewhere. We gotta buy a new one. But yeah, bro. God, and now I can say goodbye. Thank you later. At least I got the car priming. Look at the bottle. Woo, woo, smell like fuel in the house. But yeah, car is cranking. Fuel is pressure went up. I can hear the fault pump running. Listen to that pump. Listen to that pump, guys. Woo! Woo, woo, woo! All right, let me take this off out of here. Let me turn the fan on because it's gonna be smelling like gas. Fan on. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I got a few things, major little things I gotta do, and thank you guys. I appreciate for everything you guys do, and man, I'm excited now. Fuel pump's running. Next step is a starter wire is not working. We might have to buy a new starter. So peace out. See you later. From Gajin Garage out. Thank you for all my subscribers. I love you guys. Peace out.